hope that's he's not that enthusiastic in the future. So we needed something, you know, right now we're putting money aside for next year's projects, next year's upgrades we're going to be doing. So I wasn't into really building anything really fancy yet. So what's the best thing we could do that would be a good quality for these animals and give them just good shelter, everybody's favorite, pallets. That's 8 foot. This is nice. This is actually from the company I work for. They came by today in a truck, dumped it off. It was awesome. My boss thought I could use these on our farm, so I was like, well, shoot. Sent them off to the wife today. We had a bunch of these things. These are nice size. I could do a lot with them, and they're pretty thick. Sheep, 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 sheep. Oh, come on. Ellie. Don't be that way.
Hi, babies.
So right now we're working on a project. Got some more surprise animals coming. But this is a dream of my wife's, and it's been her dream, always has been her dream, and we're actually bringing it to be. And seeing it come to life has been absolutely joyful, wonderful, and I'm glad she kept that dream alive. On the right side, which is correct.
Oh, their cattle panel. One where they had the feeders. Terrible, but see, you always make fun of me for my palate.
Let's go with this.
You want your side to be on the right, won't you? So you can put the skinny side on the outside. If yours needs to be on the
That's actually good here. That way we can see.
That's really high.
Oh. So there we go, in the middle. This is a little pain in the butt. Once we start, it'll be good.
But we do one here.
I'm just getting the deal up.
Yep, that will do it right there. Here we go.
In case you haven't.
Alright. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Do 2. We'll do that.
That's it.
Ready?
Yeah, bro.
Jack. Come on, man.
I can go in the studs.
Shout down.
Next one will be
Maybe at the end, Dad.
now too far over. So right here, I'm kind of comfortable with it. What is your stake on the animals? What are they?
Mine, it's kind of odd, but I think it's I think they're donkeys.
Donkeys?
Yes, I think they're donkeys.
Jack, what is your stake on the animals?
I want them to be pigs.
Pigs?
Yeah, I want them to.
Why do you want them to be pigs?
Because they're amazing. Pigs are awesome.
They look like him.
Steven, what is your take?
I bet that they're pigs.
Pigs?
Yes.
They're on their way here. They'll be here in less than a half hour.
Oh.
Whatever they are.
Ready, we're ready.
Do you like to, who here rides an ostrich? Who's good at saddling up an ostrich?
I know this is not an ostrich because you literally said it wouldn't be. You said you don't want an ostrich. You don't want to be on a tractor.
But what about an egg? The egg will feed us for
Whoop whoop! To be or not to be? Oh dear heavens.
Yeah. I started.
Jack,
Go ahead, guys.
I
Very kindly.
I know.
I guess it lures out the giraffe because they're not tall enough to see their neck. So.
We can officially say that we own a horse.
just like big dogs.
Look, now.
That just makes the whole experience right now.
Horse poop?
Oh, buddy.
Racing the bug, I'm gonna have a time. Oh wow, look at that. It's like
This makes me happy.
no idea.
You guys gonna hold my lawn for me? You guys are definitely liking the grass. I love it.
Jack.
You wanna hold it? Grayson, you wanna hold it?
One is Jules, this one is Diamond, and that one is Sam. Well, apparently, Diamond. Yeah, most of it. Like to cut their
What do you got? Who's who? Can you show me?
cuddle up next to their mother.
Yeah. Can you tell me? Show me.
Dad, they're so warm.
Name Horse. They're very warm. Their bodies are extremely warm and fuzzy. It's a dream come true right here for a lot of these young ones. What do you think about it? You uncertain? What?
Year and two, they'll be like, Mom, I want the horse.
Oh, we're taking him in, Dad.
Put over top of the posts and
That's a great idea.
that's what we do. The sheep were like, no, don't bring it.
You'll live, you'll live.
You don't have the luxury.
They're like,
Dad, poor goats when they come home. Poor goats. I might keep the leash open.
look at them, like, nervous. Nah, Karen. Dad, Jules. To eat Logan's hair. Grass. He does need a haircut.
Hey Nathan, can you hold it? Okay, I gotta make things for your feet. Look, you put your feet in the stirrups right here. Look.
What's the strap to hold on
Oh! I don't know how to tie it really good because I don't.
At the fair.
They're hungry. Look, he's eating. He's hungry.
Take him to pasture, son.
Sophie doesn't know what's going on.
What do you think about it? Horse. You're on a horse. Should we go for a ride with him? We should?
I want to go around the circle.
Around the circle?
I can't have to take it though.
Yeah.
Do you love your horse? All right, let's go.
Hold on, my mom.
Let's go, Mama.
What's his name?
Name is something.
Samson. Okay, say, come on, Sam, let's go.
Let's go.
You gotta say, giddy up.
Yes.
There he goes. He says, giddy up.